This might be the best looking air purifier I've ever used. So today I'm unboxing the Klarta Forste, testing it, and showing you exactly how it performs so you can decide if it's worth it for your space. Huge thanks to Klarta for sending this out to me, but as always, everything in this video is my opinion. Let's unbox this. Alright, so here we go. The actual thing is inside here. I'm going to actually do this sideways just so it comes out a little bit easier. And it comes with plenty of protection. As you can see, it has the two cardboard pieces on either side. So you're really going to have enough good space. Let's go ahead and take this out. So it has a handle on the back right here, which I'm already noticing, so I can take this out really easy. And then also you get obviously the purifier itself in the package, but you also get the manual and remote right here. Don't forget, you're going to have to set this up, so I'm going to show you guys my setup process in a second. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get this set up and working. It's going to probably take me a long time, so I'll go ahead and speed it up for you guys. Make sure you take all the plastics off of the filter parts first, because you obviously, it's just not going to work if you don't take it off, so make sure to do this. Alright, so I just finished setting it up. It was pretty easy, although taking some of the filters in and out can be difficult. But overall, pretty easy setup process, and it only took me about like 5 minutes. The looks is genuinely the main selling point for me, so let's talk about it. The Forste comes in 6 different color options, and I got the white, which looks clean, minimal, and kind of Scandinavian looking, honestly. No harsh lines, no exposed vents in the front, no bulky plastic. It's built to actually sit out in your room like a decor piece, instead of getting shoved in a corner like most ugly air purifiers. Klarta's design philosophy with this is Japanese technology meets European design. Japanese motor and laser sensors doing the actual work on the inside, and it's wrapped in this really clean European aesthetic on the outside. And honestly, that combo makes sense once you see it in person. It's quiet tech hidden inside something that actually looks intentional. Okay, now for features, because this thing does more than I actually expected. Inside, you got a 3-stage filter, a pre-filter that catches bigger stuff like dust and hair, and an H13 HEPA filter that captures 99.97% of particles down to 0.3 microns. So we're talking pollen, pet dander, smoke, allergens, and then a carbon filter on top of that which handles odors and VOCs. So cigarette smoke, cooking smells, and that kind of thing. It's also got 3 built-in IQ sensors that are constantly reading your air in real time. PM 2.5 dust levels, humidity, and temperature. And that data shows up right on the display or in the app if you want to check it out from your phone. Klarta built the auto mode around WHO air quality standards, so once PM 2.5 dust creeps up, it automatically speeds up to bring it back down. And once the air is clean, it backs off on its own, saving energy and making it quieter. Basically, it'll put the right settings for your space, which is exactly what I like to do. You can control it 3 ways: the touchscreen display on the unit, the remote that comes with it, or the Smart Life app. There's also a child lock if you got little ones around, and a dedicated auto sleep mode for bedrooms that keeps it quiet and dark overnight. It runs on 8 total speed settings, and at the top speed is rated for a KDR of 300 cubic meters per hour, which is genuinely a lot of movement for something this size. Now, let's test the sound. I'm gonna be testing this from 3 feet away using my phone microphone, and by the way, my AC will be on in the background, so just keep that in mind. Klarta rates this at 20 decibels on its quietest setting. On low, I basically couldn't hear it over normal room noise, even when standing right next to it. Bumping it up to a mid-speed, still genuinely quiet, more of a soft hum in the background. And max speed is where you actually hear it working, but even then, it isn't as loud as a dedicated fan. Standing across the room on high, I basically couldn't hear it, and it just kind of faded into the background. So if you're someone who wants max purification but doesn't want a loud machine annoying you, this is honestly perfect. Right now, I've got it running in my room, which is in the basement corner and it has 0 windows, and basically no fresh air circulation at all. But here's where I think it's actually going to shine. I'm moving it out into my basement living area, which honestly can benefit from it the most. Klarta rates the Forste for up to 1,237 square feet. My basement has 3 rooms plus a small living area, so I'm confident it can cover that kind of open, connected space better than just one closed room. And honestly, the easiest part about owning this has been not thinking about it at all. I set it to auto and just forget about it. It handles the adjusting on its own, so I'm not manually messing with the speeds every day. Being honest, if you're looking for the cheapest thing that technically filters air, this isn't for you, and there are purifiers out there for less. But if you actually care about air quality and don't want something ugly sitting in your space, this is for you. The design alone justifies a chunk of the price for me, and the fact that it's not sacrificing performance to get there is what makes it worth talking about. It's also great if you got allergies, pets, or have a room like me that doesn't get much fresh air circulation. Auto mode makes it basically zero effort, and the sensors mean it's not just guessing, it's actually reacting to what's in the room. At $229, this isn't a budget buy, and I want to be upfront about that. But for what you're getting, true H13 HEPA plus carbon filtration, real-time air quality sensors, a dedicated app, remote control, whisper quiet operation, and a design that actually looks good on display instead of hidden in a closet, I think it earns that price. If you want to check it out for yourself, links are in the description. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Jesus loves you, and I'll see you in the next one.